If you want to uninstall WordPress from Bluehost fast and easy, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're cleaning up an old site, starting fresh, or removing a WordPress install you no longer need, Bluehost makes it possible to do this right from your dashboard. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it safely and quickly, step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of the sites connected to your account, so this is the place you need to go to manage your WordPress installations. Now find the website that has WordPress installed. If you have more than one site, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, because the uninstall process will remove the WordPress files and data from that specific site. When you've found the right website, click Manage Site. After that, open the Advanced tab. This section gives you access to more technical settings for your site, including file management and WordPress removal options. Once the advanced page loads, scroll down until you see Site Management. Inside Site Management, look for the option labeled Remove WordPress Entirely. This is the setting Bluehost uses when you want to completely uninstall WordPress from your hosting account. When you find it, click Remove WordPress. Bluehost will now show a confirmation prompt. This is an important step because it's warning you that the WordPress files and data will be removed from the site. Read the message carefully and then check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you understand what will be deleted. Once you've checked the box, click Remove WordPress again to confirm the action. This final confirmation tells Bluehost that you really want to proceed, so make sure you're certain before moving forward. After that, wait for the confirmation message. Bluehost will begin removing WordPress from the site, and depending on your setup, this may take a few moments. Once it's complete, your WordPress installation will be removed from Bluehost, and the site will no longer be using that WordPress setup. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled WordPress from Bluehost in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.